K-State is making strides towards a more friendly pedestrian campus with improvements increasing walkability for students. The university hopes to create a more accessible environment. Channel 8 reporter Camden Tattenhorst has more on the story.
K-State student Alex Schmidt, a sophomore who lives off campus and walks every day, is in favor of these plans.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of the university's decision to be proactive about creating a more safer environment for students to walk. I think it'll be big for the safety of all students, and I think it's really good to see.
Casey Sauer, K-State Director of Facilities, highlighted 3 different areas that will be removed to create common spaces.
One of those is on Mid-Campus Drive from Leadership Studies to Claflin. There's another that's in front of Anderson Hall. So technically speaking, that's still Mid-Campus Drive, but further to the south, in creating more of a social plaza there and connecting Anderson to the lawn.
Sauer envisions turning MLK Drive into a pedestrian way to help the feel of the campus.
And that's the essence of closing that stretch there on MLK, is it creates a whole new atmosphere for not just the front door to campus, but I would almost say recruitment and legacy plaza. The way that that sets itself up, I mean, that's essentially, you think about like college game day, that's it. That's the spot.
While the premise of the plans wasn't just about making students feel safer walking, Schmidt feels like this will improve his safety around campus.
Obviously, as somebody who walks to Eisenhower Hall for class every single day, it's big just because I have to cross a lot of streets, and this would be really helpful.
The K-State Master Plan is a 10-year process, so don't expect these new pedestrian ways to come anytime soon. From Manhattan, Camden Tattenhorst, Channel 8 News.
K-State administrators will deliver their plan to the Kansas Board of Regents this fall in an effort to finalize the campus master plan.